We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey, it's Jordan over at Onyx, and today we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass on an HP Officejet Pro 8600. So what you're going to do is lift the top cover up, take your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. You're going to pour it on the cloth. You don't want to pour it directly on the glass because it can cause problems or seep down in there. So you just want to gently wipe the glass up and down. If you're having issues whenever you're scanning through the top, the ADF scanner, you're going to want to just clean this little strip. That will usually get it. Otherwise, cleaning this big strip should get it cleaned. If you guys have any questions or need a quote or supplies, give me a call. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.